In step 3, we will work on straightening and cropping the source image. Click the crop tool in the tools bar. And since we're working with non-destructive editing, ensure that the Delete Cropped Pixel option is unchecked. Click the Straightening option in the toolbar. With Straighten selected, find a line in the image that should be horizontal and drag along the line to create the straightening path. When you are satisfied that your image has been straightened, click the Commit button in the Options toolbar to save your changes. Select the Crop tool again to bring up the crop frame. Hold down the Shift key to preserve the image aspect ratio and click and drag from either corner of the crop frame to crop the image to your liking. When you are satisfied with your crop, click the Commit Current Crop option checkmark in the Options menu. Press Command S on a Mac or Control S on a PC to save your changes.